just how well can this device and this concentrate clean pores. So this is the little charging station. I'm gonna set that down. This is the device. You do get an instruction book. I filled the serum where there's like a little line below here, and then you fill the rest with water. This is the smallest tip. There's 2 other sizes you can use. And then let's put the on button going. It has blue light with it, so that's really good for acne clearing and for your skin, but you wanna make sure you're never shining that right into your eyes. Let's go. Starts at level 1. I'm gonna take it to 2. And I can feel the water, the suction there. It's painless. But you can see it is making it a little bit red with that suction. Let's go level 3. Round 1 done. It's probably gonna be the only round I do right now just because my skin was starting to get really, really red. The good news is it does start going away pretty quickly because for a minute there I was like, oh no, am I destroying my skin? Did I put this on too high? Here is the cloudy water side. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump that, not like brownish, but definitely cloudy. So let's see how my skin looks in a couple minutes, and I will get real up close to do a before and after with my pores. All right, I've inspected the after, and this is gonna take several times to get it as clean as I want, and that is okay. That's what the instruction book says. So I'm doing everything right. It's very easy to want to be addicted to it and sit there and just like suck out all the grease and stuff out of my face on repeat, but that could really irritate my skin. So I saw it get red, that's normal, but I don't want to get it like anymore. So that said, I'll be using this again and again and working on my skin to get it better. I do think it gives you really good results. You just might have to be a little patient with it, or if you don't have as many problem pores, then one time is probably gonna be perfect. So I love that I have this for deep cleaning at home, and so far, so good.